So today I'll be showing you how to connect your Nintendo Switch Joy-Con to your Android phone. So this is very simple. Simply go to your Android phone's settings page, and on the settings, go to basically your Bluetooth settings. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled, and it's going to start scanning for devices to connect to. Okay, so what you want to do is put the Joy-Con in Bluetooth pairing mode, and to do that, just long press this button here, this one next to the lights, until you see the lights moving up and down quickly. That means the Joy-Con is in pairing mode. And so if you search available devices, you should see your Joy-Con. This is the right one, that's why it's Joy-Con R. Just tap on pair, and it's going to ask for pairing request. You can tap on pair again, and it should get paired and connected. Okay, so let's find the Joy-Con. Here we are. So the Joy-Con is connected currently. So that is basically how to connect a Joy-Con to your Android phone. Now you can also go ahead and connect the left Joy-Con, and then you can use them to do whatever you need to do. Thanks for watching, and good luck.